Do you want a more modern style home, but you aren't ready to leave your neighborhood, community, or school district? Have you found the perfect piece of land with a nearly perfect house on the property? If you keep watching, you'll have the tools to decide whether or not a modern home renovation could be right for you. My name is Francisca Alonso, CEO and co-founder of AV Architects Plus Builders, and I've been designing and building custom homes for over 20 years. I am here to talk you through what you can expect with our modern home renovation services. What is modern home renovation? We tackle major architectural and structural changes like raising ceilings, enlarging windows, removing interior walls, and adding exterior doors. This is all to embrace the functional and aesthetic improvements that modern home design has to offer, while keeping you on your original property and in an improved version of your original home. We're open to all client ideas and suggestions if you have a specific wish list item for your home. We also offer a separate renovation consultation where we can assess your property for its potential to be renovated. Answering your questions like, what design possibilities are there? Can we raise the floor, lower the ceiling, knock this wall down? How much will it cost? How long will it take to renovate? Who is a modern renovation a good fit for? Our modern home renovation service could be a good fit for you if you don't want to leave your current community. There are plenty of reasons why someone would want to stay in their own neighborhood. They don't want to move away from their friends and neighbors. They don't want to make their kids switch schools. Or it could be as simple as they love their location. You enjoy your current home, but it's beginning to feel outdated and dysfunctional. Modern renovation isn't only an aesthetic improvement, but a functional one. This includes things like optimized storage solutions, energy-efficient appliances, and more exposure to the outdoors. You are concerned about the resale value of your home. Modern improvements can elevate your home and increase the market value, especially when you have updated high traffic areas. This can include the kitchen, offices, bathrooms, and other living spaces. This may not be a good fit for you if you want to modify more than 75% of your current home. You may want to consider building a new home instead. It will be more cost effective and it will give you the control and flexibility to match your home to your needs. How do I buy a modern renovation? If you're interested in renovating your current home, the best place to start is by scheduling your free consultation. You and I can talk about your current home as well as the specific changes you would like made to it. If it is a good fit and we decide to proceed, we can visit your home in person and get started hammering out the details. To schedule your free consultation, fill out our website's contact form, give us a phone call, or send us an email to info@avarchitectsbuild.com.